So for your hand position for faded, you need to start off by finding a C, and you're going to put your middle finger on the C. Okay, then your forefinger is going to rest on a D, your pinky is going to rest on an E, and your thumb is going to rest on an A. Now your hand is going to stay in this position for the first section, except for when you need to play a G, okay? And that's the note that's got a 1 in a bracket above it. And for that one note, you have to move your thumb one step down to the G there instead. After that though, your thumb can then return back to the A. So you're going to play it like this. And I'm going to play it once more. Notice now where my thumb moves down to the G. So and then stretch down.